Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to have a discussion on something very common, laziness. Let's get one thing straight. You are not lazy. You are just operating in a system that constantly pulls you in 10 directions. Work, notifications, bills, expectations, content, competition. You wake up already behind. You go to bed feeling like you didn't do enough. But it's not because you lack discipline or motivation. It's because you're trying to thrive in a world that never lets you breathe. And when the system is broken, you start to blame yourself for not keeping up. But what if the problem isn't you? What if it's what you have been taught to value? We have been sold a lie that productivity equals value. That if you're not grinding 24/7, you're wasting your life. But the truth is, laziness is a signal, not a character flaw. It's your mind and body saying, I'm tired of pretending, I'm tired of pushing through things I don't care about. You are not lazy. You're stuck in a cycle of doing things that drain you, without ever being taught how to align your energy with purpose. School trained you to sit still and memorize. It didn't teach you how to think critically, manage energy, or solve problems creatively. Workplaces reward attendance more than insight. You are expected to be constantly available, instantly responsive, but where's the space to focus? Social media? It fuels comparison, not confidence. You are seeing highlight reels while living through your behind the scenes. This system wasn't designed for humans, it was designed for machines. And now you're expected to keep up without breaking. You don't need to burn out to prove your worth. You need to opt out of the broken system, not by quitting everything, but by setting your own rules. That means choosing depth over speed, clarity over chaos, and purpose over pressure. Say no to unnecessary meetings. Say no to toxic hustle. Say yes to silence. Say yes to things that make you come alive. Every time you make a choice for you, not the system, you take your power back. Forget working 12 hours straight and calling it success. What matters is, did you do one thing today that mattered? Did you take care of your mind, body, and relationships? Did you make space to breathe, think, and reflect? You don't need more time. You need better use of energy. That starts with rest, reflection, boundaries, and real purpose. Not productivity for productivity's sake. Change doesn't need to be massive. It needs to be intentional. Start by saying, what's one thing that I do every day that makes me feel worse? Then replace it. Build a morning that's yours. Even 30 minutes with no noise. Turn off all the notifications except 3. Block one day a week where you don't consume, just create or reflect. You're not lazy. You have just never been given the tools to protect your energy. Start giving yourself permissions to live outside the algorithm. You were not meant to be a machine. You were not meant to measure your worth in likes, tasks, or busyness. The system wants you to stand out because certain people are easier to control. But the second you realize that, you stop blaming yourself. You start building your own system. One where you choose rest, you choose depth, you choose to be fully human again. If this hit home for you, don't just nod and move on. Leave a comment right now and tell me what's one belief, one habit, or one pressure you are letting go of today. And if you think someone else needs to hear this, send them this video. We are unlearning the lie of laziness and building a better way to live together. Subscribe if you are ready to build your system on your terms. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.